in this morning. I'll see where we at today. Right now we is agnews farm equipment. This is where I do all my equipment shopping now. Let's take it to the weed. Over here, we got the Echo weed whackers. The cheapest one I think is $149, which is like more for like a residential. Then I think, if I ain't mistaken, I either got these ones or these ones. Excuse me, these ones or these ones. My bad. I apologize. These are the same. The Echo SRM 2225. Then you got these ones, which is, excuse me, I apologize.
I'm just waiting for the string in a minute. As y'all can see, the string changes on the higher or the better the weed whacker. The Black Diamond is the best string that you can get for a weed whacker.
Everything you get in here, they service it. See what different weed whacker heads right here. Brand new, ready to go speed feeders. We got chainsaws right here. For anybody that's in the trees, and cutting down trees, excuse me. Any heavy cutting out, you can't use like little basic shit like lobbers and hedgers with. You got your chainsaws. I really ain't too good with the chainsaws because I don't own one. Because I don't cut down trees. But let's see.
I'll just say be careful.
I had the world backpack 91. We didn't talk about that in a second, sorry. But I can tell by the price though which ones is the like most cheapest and or less expensive and most expensive, excuse me.
Mm-hmm.
So y'all see that one was what, $229 and now we all the way to $479. So which means this tells me this would be the most powerful is one. So the one for $229 is Echo CS352, 16-inch blade. The one CS501P-18. Let me see, I can blade on this one. So that one told you the blade. Okay, let me see, sorry. I don't know what size blade that is, but I knew that okay, said that one on that one. Backpacks.
We can get with the different price ranges on the battery.
Need these. This one we blowing the breeze away with. I got, I think maybe like 3-4 of these. I got a couple of the 770. What I got, a 770 right time?
I believe so.
And the 760, and I got a 90-10. So I got 3 of those, and I also got a handheld one, which I use. My staff don't use the handheld one; they use the backpacks.
You mean like
But
Jennifer?
the 90-10 is the most powerful Echo that you can get.
It'll handle that, huh?
The 770, I like it because it's light and it still do just as good. Not just as good, but just about as good as the 90-10.
I have an old.
The 760 was when we first started off with. We seen 449, so of course we went with all the camera right.
Almost have to get you started before we get it.
We seen 449, so of course we went with it.
That is what it could be.
Yeah, you have to wash the cylinder and open up the well.
Through the handheld
I
blower
never
right
really
here.
was doing that.
Y'all see that's only a 225/20.
Because if you use it,
That's
that
it,
much,
yeah.
And the gas tank leaks a little bit. You can't use it.
Okay, now your stringer.
No weed whackers. I use this. black diamond. Today we're gonna stay with this because I know for sure the weed whacker that's was 300. Let me see. Sting it. Let me see. A little less than an hour. It runs 54 minutes. Let's see, and then it takes about 2 hours to charge it.
It's the same for the commercial one there. The one that got-
The weed whackers, yeah, for the weed whackers for 300 and 400, I know I don't have those, which I might jump up to those eventually if I feel like I need them. I don't feel like I need to spend that much on the weed whacker right now. I feel like that's just unnecessary amount of money, not that other stuff that I could be doing.
Let's see. How much was one battery?
Other than that,
Battery, I think, is
you got all your little
And,
fuel lines.
you got twice.
Oh yeah, all these is fuel lines,
all the
lubes, and tune-up kits. Oh, you got everything. Which I'm gonna introduce y'all to the owner too. You don't be looking around, look right through the camera, bro. You gonna see everything you touch. This is what we got here. Super more. This must be electric. Yes, it's electric right here. More echo. Me personally, I don't have no electric equipment, but right now, how the gas prices is, I probably need something electric. I ain't gonna lie to you. You got a wood chipper. Bearcat wood chipper. That's an Echo. This is Bearcat. Oh, both of these Echo. I'm sorry, but this is Bearcat Echo. Generator. Yeah, this is a generator. So we got a generator right here, guys.
These are all the different.
Anybody looking for a generator? A49. Agnews Farm Equipment on Market Street. You know what I'm saying? Boardman on Lower.
You got it cold. Cold. Lowe's,
That's a pressure washer.
pretty good. They have the big battery, but they don't sell.
Another pressure washer. Which I'm thinking about buying one of these
If
myself.
I got an extra battery,
in my vehicle.
I had to go buy it from market to get the battery. They don't sell that in.
You guys have a great day. You too.
That voltage.
Come over here. Yeah, y'all, like I said, this is where I get all my stuff from, y'all. Everything I got. This right here is where the shop started at. You gotta holler at my dude right here. What's your name again, bro? Eric. Eric, you gotta holler at my man's Eric. If you need anything over here as far as the basic stuff. Wheels, belts, engine maintenance kits, filters, oils. It's pretty much all your basic stuff, and then you pretty much get to back there. Over here we got a couple of. Right now, let me say, and usually the store, like right now, he kind of low on inventory. I was gonna wait to do the review, but I'm like, nah, fuck it, I'm gonna go ahead and get it out the way. But usually the store is filled up, but I ain't gonna lie, this store go, trust me. You got a couple seats right here. But we need to replace the seat for your riders, 0 turn. I started with one of these, y'all. When I be saying I started with a rider, this is what I mean. I started with one of these. The one with the steering wheel. You feel what I'm saying? It was used, it wasn't brand new. And, I ain't gonna lie, it was hell. All day it took me to do 4 and 5 yards. Like, it was ridiculous. Shit y'all see me do now is not happening with this rider. But for your personal yard, this is great. A snapper is great. Highly recommend it. What's the question? Oh, He used to keep the price right. This one $3,400. They do finance too, y'all. Y'all feel like y'all credit together. You feel what I'm saying? They will finance you. These is well string trimmers right here. This is. I don't have any of this stuff right here. I don't feel like tiller badges. Alright, now I'm about to get to the fun stuff. Fun stuff, y'all. About to get to the exciting stuff, y'all. 0 turns, baby. 0 turns, baby. Big dog gravy, ZTHD. You hear me? This mug sweet. Man, walk around here, man. Give me the details, man. This mug sweet. Oh, this got a Kawasaki on it too. Look at this engine, man. Look how clean this is, man. Brand new shit, man. Brand new. Brand new. You feel what I'm saying? Strong tires. This is a 52 and this is size I got out there already. This is size my arms is. This one is $61.99. That's fucking sweet. That's sweet. You sure you want this? Yeah.
Yeah, this one you have
This one is nice.
Yeah, we're gonna show them the smaller one. Go ahead and meet me over there. Boy, start getting some pizza in there.
I want one of those. Personal baseball comes do that. Yep. I have probably a dozen of the snapper out commercially. It's totally 20 minutes for the battery charge. So out commercially, the guy can
48 inch, y'all.
have
This one a little bit smaller than that one, so this one probably cheaper. This one's exactly This one's 6,000, y'all. I like this too. I ain't even gonna see the front. I ain't about to say I don't like it. This is another Z. It's another ZTHD. 48 inch. That 6,000. Oh y'all, let me show y'all something. Let me show y'all something real quick. This one don't.
Is it come this way?
Huh?
Do we come this way?
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's the one that moved back and forth. It's the one that moved back and forth. Yeah.
I'm gonna ask him. We're gonna come back to that though, because I definitely want to know, because that's different. Mine, you just let I want to never even, you feel what I'm saying? Just trying to show you something. But look, this what I'm about to get, not this one. I'm gonna have to show you. I'm about to give him some more money. I'm about to give him a couple more $100 for that. This the top of the line. Make sure you get good. Top of the line, 48-inch deck. Got it on sale for this a $10,000 piece of equipment right here. They got it on sale for $7,700 right now. Warranties and all that. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, matter of fact, look. Hold on, no. Just keep it on there. My name on this right here. What? Keep showing. No, that's all I love.
Something like this.
All right, pause it real quick.
I do that up here.
So yeah, y'all, this right here, the 48-inch pairs. This is Z1 too. So it was $93.44, now it's on sale for $77.69.
That's comfortable.
It do look comfortable.
This one mine.
Right here. This is the one I'm working on getting up. So y'all know this one was almost 10, so y'all know this one almost 10. You feel what I'm saying? I ain't in no rush. I ain't in no rush. You feel what I'm saying? This the 36-inch though. This the 36-inch. Y'all see my name on there. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all see my
36.
name. That's another pair of Z1. Top of the line, the best it's gonna get.
That one look a little bit bigger than this one.
That is bigger than 48.
Oh, cool. This one nice though. I like this one too. Oh, nice.
You sure that motor real good? Yeah. Like I like how the motor is in the front. Like
Yeah.
Foreign shit. Like, I like that. Yeah, you sure enough for real good.
I like how they got this north over here too.
It's the Ferris. What's this? What is the number? Where that number at? What's the number over there?
48.
48. It's another 48-inch. This one was originally $83.99. This one sells for $72.99. Everything got a Kawasaki engine. All this is commercial. Like I said, Ferris is the best it's gonna get. Alright, y'all. This the man of the hour right here. This Mr. John Agnews. He the owner of Agnews Farm Equipment. Like I said, this is where I get all my equipment from. How long you had this again?
This is our 198th year.
Yeah, so he's been in business for many years. This is passed down through his family. So, like I said, if y'all need any equipment, come to Agnews Farm Equipment on Market Street in Boardman, Ohio. Ask for the owner, Mr. John. It's my man. He take really good care of me for anything I need. He make sure he get me right in, no questions asked. You know what I mean? He a real good man, so make sure y'all give him a shot.
Appreciate that.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you, Mr. John. All right. So there y'all go right there. That's my guy right there, Mr. John. Like I said, he a real good guy.
I'm gonna take y'all outside, so y'all see me step outside real quick.
Give it about a 3.5, 4-star rating. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty good. For its price, I think these only probably about, I can tell you the price is, I think the deck is 52. So this ain't no more than about $4 grand. Four grand, $5 grand. No more than 5. You know what I'm saying? He's pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? That's a what is that? A 48 inch I said. Yep. 48 inch snapper. Then we got a
25 inch. That's what I'm saying.
52.
Oh, 52.
52 inch ZTHD Gravely. Yeah, I know this is about $6-7 grand right here. Top of the line, this top of the line is easy. I like this. I'm gonna add one of these in my collection for real. I just like the way they just look comfortable. They just look like they look like they just ready for whatever. Like, you feel what I'm saying? And y'all see the type of shit I be cutting. So. Then we got another snapper. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all know them just for residential. These just for residential. Go over here, y'all. Go over here. Let me see a couple more snappers. 36 inch. This baby small. Like I guarantee you this is about 29 to $3 grand right here. About 3,500, no more than 3,500. Of course, we got the big dog.
61.
Big dog, you hear me? This the big dog. The big dog, all big dogs. You feel me? I don't even know how big this deck is. But this is ISX 3300. There. Feel me? This probably about 15 grand right here. 20 grand, somewhere in there right
And it come
right
with a seatbelt too.
Seatbelt and everything. Show them all that shit, man. Let me see that shit. I need to see it, man. Feel me? This is the type of shit I'm trying to work my way up to. This goes right here. Goes. You feel me? Oh yeah, while we at it too, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell, that way you get notified anytime I'm posting a video. But, like I said, y'all already said they've been in business for 198 years. That's how I'm trying to have it, man. That's how I'm trying to be on. I'm trying to have my generations after me in the future tomorrow. Yeah, we've been in business. We had the lawn care service at such and such time, this and the third. You feel what I'm saying? And if you're familiar with the Youngstown area, his people donated, well, his dad and grandfather donated the land for them to build Boardman High School and Boardman Junior High School. They donated the land for that. They ain't even, you feel what I'm saying? That's the type of shit I'm trying to be on. I'm trying to be able to give back right there. You feel me? We're going to walk down here towards the service area. There's a couple of used shit over here, man.
They done with your oil.
That's what. Yeah, that's what. A couple of used things back here. But yeah, y'all already know, man. I just want to give y'all some different content, man. Bring y'all some fire every day, man. You feel me? So next time I do a review on the store, it's gonna be filled up. There's gonna be way more shit in here. But I wanted to, you know what I mean? And you see, man, they really fuck with me for excuse my language. I'm gonna try to stop cussing so much on here. You feel me? But you see, they really rock with me, man. They just let me come in here and do me for like, anytime I want. Let me for do what I want to do for real, bro. I ain't even gonna sit up here and lie. You see, the owner just feel me? Like that's how I like it. That's that trap shit, man. That's that trust relationship assets principle. You feel me? I built the trust and the relationship with it. And to him, I'm an asset. You feel what I'm saying? To him, I'm an asset. You feel me? And me and him, we both done on our principles. Let me see, this mine right here. We need to
You do service stuff. You want to go to the service department though.
go down that. I need everything I need fixed. Tom, what you working on now, Tom?
It's gravely.
That's a big boy. What's that, a 52 too?
No, it's 60 inch.
That's a 60? Oh, that's a 60. Ooh, okay, then he cutting fields and shit.
Huh?
He must be cutting fields and shit, acres and shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The whole motor was about to fall off.
Damn.
PTO clutch was out of it.
Ooh.
Damn.
Yeah. They put these bolts in a nice, perfect area to get to.
Right.
Yeah.
Man, it was a pain in the ass for me to do my oil change. I'm like, man, I got it. It's hard as hell for me to get in there.
Oh, yeah. You have all 10 fingers. I only got 8. Yeah. Sometimes it can be a little. Well, you know, it is what it is, right?
Right. You still getting to that money and I'm still getting to it, so we black.
Yep. And so I said, it is what it is.
Right. Yeah, though, so y'all see what's going on, man.
I think you got your weed whackers done.
Okay.
I think.
Yeah, I think I seen it in there.
Alright. What y'all waiting on something for the lawnmower? Or you got wait till you get done with that, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool.
Yep.
That's cool. Alright.
Yep.
Alright. So yeah, when he get done with that, then he jumping on this. Y'all see what they do here, man. They got all type of shit, bro. They got all type of shit, man. All type of shit. Look. That wasn't, and I ain't even tripping though, you feel me? That wasn't, if he wasn't already working on that when I first got here, then he'd pull me right in, but I don't expect him to stop with something in mid-air, you feel me? I don't gotta wait, drop it off overnight or no crazy shit like that. And if I need to get to work, I'm gonna be able to get to work. I don't know what this is, it's like a little storage department in here, which would be just nice to have. I wonder what he's doing, he's trying to rent this shit up. To the office and come on, yo. Matter of fact, might have just found me something, you feel me? I know I'm allowed in here, you feel me? Then I ain't, you feel me? But right now, he might need all of this though. That's already filled up. That's already filled up. Yeah, so he gonna need this now, man. I almost thought I came up on something, y'all. Come on, man. More thinking, man. This type of shit I want no big ass, dumb ass shop with all this, you feel me? I don't want all this shit that need worked on in my shop, but I'm just saying though, like, I kinda thought about that though when I get my shop, like have somebody in there that just fix lawnmowers and shit. And that might be the move for y'all. Y'all drop down in the comments what y'all think about, man. Busted. Look, I just thought about this real quick. I get a shop, right? Get somebody in there that know how to fix all the equipment, right, y'all? Damn. Once they fix it up, I'll resell it. But I ain't gonna bust because I'm basically trying to give back. I ain't gonna crack y'all heads because I'm trying to give back. So I might be able to buy and sell used equipment. Man, drop that down in the comments, man. What y'all think, man? I think that's a power move, man. Let me know. I think that might be I don't know, I think that might be a move. You feel me? Especially if I can come up on like some Ferrises, some Toros, some Graveleys, some X Marks. You know what I mean? Especially if I can come up on some shit like that, you feel me? That might be a power move. That might be a power move, bro. I ain't even gonna sit up here and cap. I'm gonna run that past the game and see what they think. Yeah, I think that's a good move right there. Check out all this shit over here. If you got that thing going, man, you trust me, all this shit ain't just sitting around for no reason. Yeah, all this shit ain't just sitting around for no reason. Better believe that. This man bought his money. This man bought his paper. Better believe that. go uptown real quick, man. After this guy. Oh, thank you. I appreciate you, boss, man. I definitely appreciate you. I was trying to stable up on the staple.
Well, they do have a 0% for 24. They just don't do it for 48 anymore. So you can do 0% for a year.
See? Yeah, with the primary store. I ain't trying to be in this business with y'all. I'm talking about 0%. Alright, so this is what we got going on. Let me write the good fit. There's something wrong with her thing. It doesn't like it. Did they show you how to work that?
Oh no, not yet.
They're going to show you how to work that. Because I ain't really, he said it was really simple though. He said you could just put it in. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
The team work is good. Which I'm gonna get ready to start. I'm trying to just give it a little bit more time. Like I said, I ain't in a rush for nothing right now. I'm just moving and grooving, trying to take my time with everything. And like I said, I'm just trying to build revenue right now. I ain't really focused on as long as everything working and getting the job done, and I ain't getting no complaints, and it's looking beautiful when I get done with it. Then I'm rocking out. You feel what I'm saying? But until then, shit, y'all see who's working on in the meantime. That big 36-inch, boy. Where you been?
Oh, yeah,
She got an actual picture. So I sent her a quote. I want to make sure. I think she viewed it. It says she viewed it. Oh yeah, so man. Hold on, just while we waiting on her though, y'all. Show them this. Remember I told y'all that one, that's how I'm saying, that's how good I am. That one out there, remember I told y'all that was like 16, between 16 and 20 grand. 61 inch deck. This the IX 3300. This bitch hard. Look at the suspension on this, bro. Get the suspension, man. Get that suspension, man. Show them the price. Beast, bro. Look, from the oil, Vanguard oil, Vanguard oil bar system. Come on, top of the line. This shit nice. I'm telling you what y'all want to get your hands on, man. Oh, he got some 60. Hold on, man, look. Some 60 inches over here too, my bad. Oh, it's only gonna sell for $62.99. That's a deal. Couple 60s. This one looking too big.
I'm usually good,
What size that one say? Look at that tag.
people realize that's a
Pro Turn 260. Look, man, 12,000, man. 12.5, man. Let's get it, man. Big dog shit. Come on, man. That bitch was originally almost 20, man. 72-inch depth. Whole time. You know these mugs. Exclusive. These mugs say whole time. This one got an operated power system. Yeah. 15? It's a good deal, man. For equipment. Yeah, so. Pretty much gave y'all the tour just to go everything they got in here. Like I said, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Alright, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and wrap this up, man. Like I said, I gave y'all the tour of Agnews Farm Equipment. Come check them out. I gave y'all the tour of Agnews Farm Equipment. Come check them out. Located in Portland, Ohio, Market Street. Like I said, ask for John. Tell them Jeff sent you. I know AKA Motivational Wood, man. Stay motivated, stay prayed up. Don't forget us on the track. See y'all on the track.